Whether you're moving, decluttering, or tackling a big home renovation, one thing is certain: junk tends to pile up. In a busy city like Austin, residents often find themselves in need of professional help to get rid of unwanted items and reclaim their space. If you're considering residential junk removal, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know, from what types of junk can be hauled away to how to choose the right service provider for your needs. What is residential junk removal? Residential junk removal refers to the process of removing unwanted items from your home, garage, attic, or yard. It involves hiring a service to clear away large amounts of waste, old furniture, appliances, construction debris, or any other items that need to be disposed of or recycled. Many junk removal companies in Austin offer full-service solutions, where they do all the heavy lifting and sorting for you, ensuring that your space is left clean and clutter-free. Why choose professional junk removal in Austin? While you might consider handling junk removal on your own, hiring professionals offers several advantages. Efficiency. Junk removal services are experienced in quickly and safely clearing out all types of waste. They come with the necessary tools, trucks, and manpower to get the job done fast. Proper disposal. Austin has specific recycling and disposal regulations. Professional junk removal companies are familiar with these rules and will ensure that your items are properly disposed of or recycled according to city standards. Safety. Lifting heavy furniture or dealing with hazardous materials can be dangerous. Junk removal teams have the training to handle large, bulky items safely, reducing your risk of injury. Environmental responsibility. Many junk removal companies in Austin prioritize eco-friendly practices. They often donate usable items and recycle as much waste as possible, reducing the environmental impact of landfills. Types of junk that can be removed. One of the best things about junk removal services is their ability to handle a wide range of items. Here's a breakdown of common household junk that can be hauled away. Furniture. Couches, chairs, tables, and mattresses are among the most common items people need to get rid of. Appliances. Old refrigerators, washing machines, dishwashers, and stoves can take up valuable space. Junk removal services can handle the proper disposal or recycling of these bulky items. Electronics. Broken TVs, computers, and other electronic devices can be tricky to dispose of due to their components. Junk removal companies know where to take these items for safe recycling. Construction debris. After a home renovation project, you may be left with piles of old drywall, wood, nails, and more. These materials require proper disposal to avoid harming the environment. Yard waste. Landscaping projects can result in large amounts of yard waste like tree branches, grass clippings, and leaves. Junk removal services can handle the collection and disposal of these items. Miscellaneous items. Anything from clothing to old toys, books, and home decor can be taken away by a junk removal service. How to choose the right junk removal service in Austin. With so many options available in Austin, it can be overwhelming to choose the right junk removal company. Here are some key factors to consider when making your decision. Pricing. Junk removal services usually charge based on the volume of junk being removed. It's important to get an estimate up front and ask about any additional fees, such as disposal costs or extra labor charges. Reputation. Look for companies with good customer reviews and a proven track record. A reliable service will be punctual, professional, and thorough in their work. Eco-friendliness. If sustainability is important to you, ask the company about their recycling and donation practices. Many junk removal companies in Austin make an effort to reduce waste by recycling and repurposing items. Availability. Some junk removal companies offer same-day or next-day services, which can be helpful if you're in a time crunch. Be sure to check availability when scheduling your removal. Customer service. A good junk removal company will offer clear communication, friendly service, and a hassle-free experience from start to finish. What to expect during the junk removal process? The junk removal process is straightforward and typically involves the following steps. Scheduling. Call your chosen company to schedule a time for them to come by. Many companies offer online booking for convenience. Free estimate. On the day of your appointment, the team will assess the amount and type of junk you need to remove and provide a free, no-obligation estimate. Removal. If you accept the estimate, the team will get to work removing the items, whether it's from inside your home, garage, or yard. Cleaning up. Once the junk is hauled away, the team will tidy up the area and ensure everything is left clean and free of debris. Final thoughts. Residential junk removal in Austin is a convenient and efficient way to declutter your home and get rid of unwanted items. By choosing the right service provider, you can enjoy a hassle-free experience while knowing your junk is being disposed of responsibly. Whether you're clearing out old furniture or tackling a home renovation, professional junk removal is the solution to keeping your space clean, organized, and clutter-free.